This is a 2-pack of a Wondershare torch table lamp with USB connections for your phones and more. It is glass blown, hand blown, a leaf like an open top of 3 levels of light. We're going to unpack and show you what the product looks like over here on the table and then decorate it in the room. The product stands 19 inches tall with two E26 light bulbs, 6 watts. They are well protected with an instruction guide, 6-watt light bulbs, the white frost glass covers, and the weighted down base with the 120-volt cord and leaf finish. With the black stem and black leaves going up to the top of the light bulb. The USB-A charging ports can charge a phone, anything that has USB-A 2.0. We have 2 USB outlets for charging a product, as you can see. And when we touch the base to light up low level or touch the stem to light up at a higher level, we have 3 levels of light. Lighting for your needs in a bedroom, on a dresser, in the living room, anywhere where you want to put a decorative light. Touching the base using a USB port, anything imaginable. I hope these are the lights that you are looking for your lighting needs. Enjoy your product if this is right for you. If you are looking for a hand-blown glass fixtures with a nice design for your bedroom. Enjoy your product. Thank you for viewing. On the base will be 2 USB ports, 5 volts, 2 amps per. A 6-watt bulb, a 60-watt bulb. By touching a light, they will come on. Touching the base again will bring it to the 2nd level of light. And then touching it again will bring it to the 3rd level of light. And the last touch will shut the lights off. Touching anywhere on the stem will turn the lights on as well.